Hey, this is Hans the Ramen Rater coming at you with another instant noodle recipe time. So, I've tried over almost, I've almost tried 3,000 times of instant noodles in the last, 16 years. And so I've got a lot of experience with instant noodles, so I thought I'd impart some of my knowledge to you. That's what this series is for. So, today we've got something that was sent by one of my readers, a nice guy by the name of Daniel, or I don't know, it might be Danielle. He's in, what do you call it, Brazil. I don't know if it's Daniel or Danielle or something like that down there, but anyway, check that out. And by that, I mean that. Pizza. Nissin Miojo Cremoso Sabor Pizza. Pizza. Everybody, pizza. Well, the water's boiling. So, without further ado, I gotta throw this sucker in the water. Don't need those. Those have nothing in them. We need that. Ooh, that smells good. Alright, so we have the noodle block going into the boiling water. And the leftover bits from transport. And let's get it down in there. And so this one is going to cook for 3 minutes. And at that point, we will stir in the sauce, or the seasoning base that came with it. So we will need a fork, though. I'm gonna do some interesting garnish on this because it is pizza. I've got some Havarti. The only white cheese I had. I've got some pepperoni. I did think ahead at least on that. We do have olives, but the only problem is I only need like a couple. I don't need a whole can of olives, yo. I have no need for it. Not a whole can. Oh, what am I going to do with a whole can of olives? So, we'll just stick with that, and I've got some spring onion too. Oh yeah, and I've got some fried onion that might go smooshingly on top. So we'll see. Anyways, what's going on in the world today? They got the little kids and the soccer folks in Thailand. They rescued them. I don't know. I'm probably the only one who started following that story. Did I start this? Yeah, I did. Good. Who started following that story as late as I did, but how did they get in the cave in the first place? That's what I want to know. Were they like all in a close group and then the floor broke out and kind of like in a movie where they go, ah, and they end in a tunnel? I'm guessing it wasn't that. And I didn't hear anybody being blamed for it as much as I don't remember that. I just remember they were stuck. It wasn't good. One thing I did hear them say repeatedly was that it really caught the attention of the people in Thailand. And people in Thailand are way different than the people in the United States. Insofar as I think when there's something like that, they really come together on things. They're very, very, not just collectivist as like family units, but societally, they will all come together on a shared thing. So, pretty cool. Yeah, that's one thing that's different about the Southeast Asia than the U.S. is that our society here is more of an individualistic society, whereas society over there is more collectivist. So it's not just like hey, I need this, I need that. No, no, no. We need this, we need that. You know, which I think is cool, and I really would love to see our society kind of go in that direction. I have no idea how that would work. Okay, everybody, give a damn. Yeah, so I don't know how that's come to. I think it would just take time. I think it's probably just like what will eventually happen. You know, people will just they'll care a lot, like the Care Bears. Anyway, so here is our unseasoned noodle. Here is our seasoning. And here is our time of stirring. You might have noticed 99 point. Wow, it's pretty amazing. Look how much water's in there. There's like nothing. It's all right. Let's make some pizza. Wow, you know, this smells like a Geno's, Totino's, Red Baron, you name it. It smells like one of those. It smells like onion and bell pepper and tomato, which basically is the international combination for pizza. And salt. Well, this is pretty neat, I must say. Alright. It looks like it kind of has the same color as Bulldog Bokeman, but I know that's not the case. You know, one thing that I was surprised to hear, the fellow that sent me these, he was telling me, because there were a couple varieties that said they were hot and spicy. He was like, they will not be hot and spicy to speak of. Brazilian people don't like ultra spicy food, which kind of surprised me. I expected, ooh, Brazilian food, I bet you that's really like really strong flavors and really spicy. It's like, no, strong flavors, yeah, but spicy, definitely not. There's an eyeful. I will say this, it is very salty. And it has a cheesish flavor. Actually, one of my favorite bands is from Brazil, Sepultura. I actually named my son Andreas after a band member from that band. Did you know that? Well, if you didn't, you should go on YouTube and type in Sepultura and then type in Chaos AD and listen to that whole album and write what you thought about it in the comments. Oh, that'd be fun, wouldn't it? Alright. So, we need our bowl. Oh, God, I hate that sound. That's the little cup thing. Alrighty then. Okay, perfect. Alright, so we got cheese and pepperoni. Look at that though, wow. It really, that bit of powder really thickens everything up really well. Spread it around happy. A little spritzer. Don't mind me, I'm mentally insane. At least on some days. Alright. So yeah, unfortunately it's not mozzarella, but it's Havarti. So we'll set that right there and let it chill for a minute. I'm hoping it'll start giving up some of that meltiness. The edges are starting to wilt. I wish I could just push a button on this camera and make it time-lapse right now. Slowly melt. Yeah, this could take a while. It's hot. I mean, although this is like a heat shield, kind of doesn't want to penetrate that. But over here, it's hot, and over here, melt. I could microwave it, but that just seems like sacrilegious. Well, far be it from me to not be sacrilegious, so here we go. Let's give it a spin. Oh, there's junk in front of my microwave. Crap. From last night's nachos, my son made nachos last night. That was pretty cool. 30 seconds. Boom. Don't worry, I already tasted it, so the review is actually all good. Wow, this is one filthy microwave. Usually it's not. I mean, you used to see in my stove and stuff, that's always clean. We don't use the microwave in really a heck of a lot. Oh. Give it the last 6 seconds here. For a full half minute. Yeah. I don't want to destroy this stuff. But there is... Here's where we're at currently. Pizza ramen. Why don't we have that? I mean, countries all over the world, Pakistan, Brazil, India, Indonesia, they have pizza ramen. But you know what? The one country where it seems like logical that they would have it, and they don't, is the United States. We have like pizza-fied so many different... things like those Gino pizza rolls. You know what those used to be? When I was a kid, they had Chungking egg rolls, and they were exactly the same thing. No difference whatsoever. And they're gone. They were actually pretty good, I think. But yeah, they're gone now. I'm like, what? And now it's just all Gino pizza rolls. You gotta have some of these pizza rolls over here. Well, that doesn't look bad. It's a personal pizza. Let's see. Where are my onions? Because I think You gotta at least have some greenery, and I think a little crunch would be good. Let's put these spring onions right dead center. Huh, that's a lot of them. There. Nobody minds, right? Nobody's gonna have a fit and go home. Let's have some of these crisp onions. Whoa. Maybe that was too much. Oh no, it doesn't even look like pizza anymore. What have I done? Well, here, let's just take these large pieces. Full of onion. Where's that? We need... Dude, I just had it. I had it. Here it is. There we go. This is actually from a bona fide pizza joint. Red pepper flakes from Papa Murphy's. Do a bit of that on there. There, now it looks like a pizza. There aren't, yeah, it kind of covered up most of the noodles. But yeah, let's get a lovely shot of that. Should have like some theme music in the background. Something soft. Yeah, anyways. Yeah, well that's cool. So, well, I hope you have totally enjoyed watching what I have done here. And if you enjoyed that, perhaps you'll enjoy this. Right? Am I putting my arm on the right side? Yeah, this over here. Look at that. Watch it. Comment on it. There's one over here that'll be like a big Ramen Rater logo. Subscribe. And yeah, watch these things. Because, well, don't do it because I'm telling. Do it because you want to. But anyways, hey, this has been Hans the Ramen Rater. Wishing you enjoyment of your noodles every day. Have a good one and bye.